A few years ago, a college degree was considered your ticket to opportunity. Today, that is no longer enough. The world is changing faster than our education systems can keep up. And a new global currency is emerging. Not coding, not memorization, not even traditional qualifications. The new currency is AI literacy. If you are still preparing for the future using methods designed for the past, you may be training for a world that no longer exists. For decades, success was built on acquiring information. Learn more, remember more, score higher, get hired. But information is no longer scarce. Artificial intelligence can access, organize, summarize, and generate information in seconds. The competitive advantage is no longer what you know. It is how effectively you can work with intelligent systems. We are moving from a world of individual effort to one of human-machine collaboration. The professionals who thrive will not be those who compete with AI. They will be those who know how to direct it. Think about it. A student who understands how to ask better questions, frame better problems, and guide AI tools effectively can often achieve more than someone relying entirely on memory. Prompting is not about typing commands. It is about thinking clearly, breaking down problems, communicating intent, and collaborating with machines to produce meaningful outcomes. In many ways, prompt engineering is becoming a modern form of literacy. Just as reading and writing transformed societies centuries ago, AI fluency is transforming careers today. This is not about fear. It is about reality. Every industry is being reshaped by AI. Education, healthcare, engineering, law, business. The people who understand these tools will move faster, learn faster, and create more value. Those who ignore them risk being left behind. The future will not belong to those who know the most facts. It will belong to those who can combine human creativity, critical thinking, and artificial intelligence. The question is no longer whether AI will affect your career. The question is whether you are ready for it. If you want practical insights on AI, learning, future careers, and the skills that matter in the coming decade, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Because the future is arriving faster than most people think.